Okay, we're going to make a fall hand bow for this pretty hydrangea in the jewel tone colors. With all the jewel tone colors, we want to keep this pretty neutral. So I'm going with a 4-inch canvas, natural color. Let's go ahead and make a dovetail in that. Dovetail our ends, and we're going to make an upper tail, and then you've got to decide what your loop size is going to be. This is not a huge wreath at all, so we cannot make big tails or big loops with this. So I would think about 6 inches. But I'm going to do this real quick and then hold it up there and see. Just to get an idea. Oh, I think that neutral is pretty, don't you? And I think those loop sizes are good. And so I'll take that back apart and tell you what I'm doing. Okay? So decide on your size. If you want an upper tail, leave that. Bring that between your thumb and your finger. Turn it away from yourself. Even though in this case, let's not do that because we don't have to. The back and the front are exactly the same. So just fold that up, determine your loop size, and then bring it between your thumb and your finger. Okay? And same thing on this loop, I don't really have to turn it 180 degrees. Now if I kept making loops, I would have to, but since I just did one on each side, that's really all we need. Let's leave ourselves a decent tail so we can decide what tail size we want. And I'm not going to cut the dovetail just yet. I'm not so good at doing that with one hand. My second ribbon I'm going in is a it doesn't have a name, but it's a 2.5-inch neutral kind of plaid. Okay, and so upper tail between your thumb and your finger. Turn it away from yourself. This one does have a top and a bottom, so we do have to do the 180 degree turn. I want my loop size slightly smaller, so that's probably a 5-inch loop. Turn it away from myself, or make my second loop, just like so. And that is pretty. Slightly smaller. Okay. Bring it down, leave a tail, cut that off. We'll come back and dovetail. Now I'm trying to decide if I want to go in with this narrow green Swiss dot. I think I do. I think it just adds some visual interest. But it's going to be a small loop, smaller than the other. Turn it away from myself, smaller than the other. Measure them against each other. And let's do 2. This is such a thin ribbon, let's just do 2 loops. Same size on each side. Turn it away from myself, loop. That's what we're going to have. That is so pretty. Now we have a zip tie, and we are going to bring that underneath the ribbon bundle right where my fingers are, and capture that. Turn the locking mechanism around to the back, just like so. And now we're just going to fluff that out. Isn't that going to be pretty up there? Perfect, neutral. I'll probably cut these tails off a little bit. All right, that's my bow for today. Let me know if you have any questions.